When you're working in Google Docs, do you struggle with copying and pasting? It takes a long time. Sometimes if you make a mistake, you have to go back and fix everything. It can be a struggle. I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to start a new segment called Tech Tips. So in this segment, I'll be teaching you some tips to help you use technology for your assignments at TIU. So our first tech tip will be keyboard shortcuts. So if you notice here in the menu on the right-hand side, we have some shortcuts. For example, Command Z, Command Y, Command V. You make these shortcuts by holding the Command key and pressing C or V or another letter at the same time. After you copy something, you can paste it as many times as you want. You can also select everything and cut Command X, and it will delete it and you can paste it elsewhere. So, what are some shortcuts that we can use? As you can see here, we have a little cheat sheet that you can use for shortcuts. These shortcuts are written for our Mac computers at school. If you use a Windows computer or a Linux computer, you can use Control instead of Command. So on Mac, we have Command C, which is copy. Command V is paste. Command X is cut. So this will copy the text and also delete it from that section of your document. Command Z is undo. This is very helpful if you make a mistake. Command Y is redo. If you didn't want to undo, you can put it back. Next, we have Command S. This is for save. Google Docs will save automatically, so you don't need to use this one for Google Docs, but you can use it for other programs like Microsoft Word. Command B will make your text bold. Command I will make your text italic. Command U will underline the text. Command F will find text in your document. And Command A will select all the text in your document. So you don't have to use the mouse to select everything. Here's an example of Command F finding the number 2. Here's an example of Command A. It selects everything. So you can find more Google Docs shortcuts by checking the link below. Remember, a lot of these shortcuts can be used for other programs on your laptop, not only for Google Docs. So I hope these tips help you, and I hope they can help save time next time you work on a paragraph or an essay on Google Docs. So see you next time.